Are you ready to unlock the secrets of high-ticket sales? Imagine turning casual visitors into enthusiastic buyers effortlessly. Let's dive into the world of ClickFunnels and explore how to effectively test a high-ticket sales funnel. High-ticket sales funnels help sell expensive products or services. However, it's crucial to ensure your funnel is effective before launching. Testing your funnel helps identify what works and what doesn't. First, define your funnel objectives. What do you want to achieve? Set clear goals for conversions, leads, or sales. Next, create your funnel steps. Consider the landing page, sales pages, checkout, and follow-ups. Now, it's time to start testing. Focus on one variable at a time. This could be headlines, images, or calls to action. Use ClickFunnels A/B testing feature for this process. It lets you compare different funnel variations easily. Collect data from your tests. Monitor metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. This will help you understand what resonates with your audience. Adjust your funnel based on your findings. Imagine running ads to your funnel. Monitor how each traffic source performs. This insight is key to optimizing your strategy further. For instance, if an email campaign drives more conversions than social media, adjust accordingly. Invest more in the best performing sources to maximize your results. In summary, testing a high-ticket funnel with ClickFunnels is simple. Define your goals, create funnel steps, test one variable at a time, and collect data. Use your insights to improve your funnel continuously. Ready to boost your sales? Start testing your funnel today. Visit ClickFunnels and create your high-ticket sales funnel now.